Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today I wanted to share with you this channel that we have actually been building, but recently we haven't been uploading. That's why you see the decline in revenue. So I wanted to take you inside this analytics and show you all the data, and pretty much we're gonna be start ramping on this channel, and really excited to take it to new heights. And as you can see, this channel we didn't start that long ago, but before that I want to show you that this is actually US dollars, right? As you can see, US dollars, because I know there's a lot of people out there who's just faking all these numbers, claiming that they made $100,000 in 1 month, 200,000 in 1 month, but they actually just setting the on the settings, they're actually setting it to fake numbers, so I just wanted to prove that this is US dollars, and I actually got nothing to hide. The channel link and URL and all the videos is actually hidden, because I don't want anyone out there who's actually just copy my niche, right? So that's why actually hiding all the channel details. Okay, so basically you can see, let me go to revenue. You can see pretty much this is like the 90 days, and then first video we uploaded $135, nothing crazy. So it was like 10, 12, $15 days, and then went up to $56, went up to $114, and then went up to $361, and pretty much 161. Let me change it to 28 days. Okay, so as you can see, in the last 28 days we made $1,400, and you can see all the numbers here. Again, this is US dollars, so you can see this is US dollars, and you can see the real figures. But main thing I wanted to bring to your attention is that choosing a niche is very important, because if you choose the wrong niche where you have like a lot of saturation, it's gonna be very difficult to get success. Then the reason we actually started getting results fast is because of the niche, and we can actually double down and duplicate on this niche time and time again, because there's like very little competition out there, and there's like a lot of demand for this particular audience and the niche. So again, you can see from the 26th of October, we only posted like one video and the channel is just going like $7, $10, but we will start uploading and ramping it up every day, like probably one video every two days or 3 days, just to get the momentum up and going on the channel. So it's not difficult to make money on YouTube automation, guys. You just need to choose the right niche and also follow the right strategy, so that way you can actually get results on an ongoing basis. Okay, it's a very simple business model, and you don't need to show your face like I'm showing you my face here. And this channel we're gonna be ramping it up, and I'm really excited. So in the comment section, let me know where you're watching this from, and also I'll leave some training in the comment section below, and also in the description you can click and watch it. And any question you have, you can connect to me via Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So again, thank you so much. My God bless you, and have a wonderful day.